Today we get the opportunity to host a partner of ours, Aruma, who have been helping us out for about 18 months on a collaboration with a major project, just building little components for us to fit in our switchboards, and it's been a great success.
We do dim rails as well as cabling and labelling and crimping for Downer, so we oversee that. A couple of our team leaders help out, and we'll do one-to-one with some of our supporter guys as training on that, as well as in a group ratio, as well as up to 4 support employees with a team leader.
The type of work they do is some of the work that our apprentices started as first years, so it's a very good opportunity for those guys to get a handle on electrical work.
Well, no 2 days are the same. Every day there's always going to be something different. It's multi-diverse. They push us to do different things to make us achieve the next level.
It was great, obviously, seeing where our work ends up and just the whole process, the next stage of it.
It's really nice to know that I'm helping people that might struggle in some aspects of life to be able to work.
We've had guys that have worked for 40 years with Aruma that have gained skills that they never thought they could, even in the last years, and developing skills and progressing from school into employment, which again, for someone with a disability, daunting enough for an average person to go, but if you've got a disability, you can imagine how much harder it is to make that first step into employment. Every time we get something new, it's exciting for the guys, doing multiple tasks. So with Downer coming on, and hopefully there's more projects to work on together, it brings that variety of work.